Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm sharing my journey to achieving the perfect bouncy, voluminous curly hair. It's been quite the adventure, and I can't wait to tell you all about it. If you've ever struggled with getting that lush, curly look without sacrificing length, stick around. So here's the deal. Curly hair can be a blessing and a curse. It has a mind of its own, and finding the right cut can be a real challenge. I've always admired the stunning curls of the Calogera sisters, full of volume and life. Their hair is just so vibrant and bouncy, and I wanted that for myself. But every time I went in for a haircut, I ended up losing way too much length. Frustrating, right? It felt like no one understood how to cut curly hair without making it look flat or uneven. But then, I found Nikos, a stylist in London who specializes in layered cuts for curly hair. Game changer! His approach was different from anyone else I had encountered. Let me walk you through the transformative process. First, the consultation. This step is crucial because it sets the foundation for the entire haircut. Nikos and I discussed my goal long layers with minimal length reduction to keep that volume intact. He totally got it. We talked about my hair type, my daily routine, and what I wanted to achieve. The key here is long layers and minimal trimming, or dusting, of the ends. This technique helps maintain the length while adding movement and volume. Nikos started with a dry cut, which is crucial for curly hair to see how the layers will fall naturally. Cutting curly hair when it's dry allows the stylist to understand the curl pattern better. After the dry cut, it was time for a wash and wet styling. This step helps to define the curls and ensure they look their best. And let me tell you, Nikos' attention to detail was incredible. He took his time to make sure every curl was in place. He made sure not to create a large gap between layers to keep the look blended and cohesive. This is so important for curly hair to avoid that dreaded pyramid shape. Now let's talk post-cut styling. This is where the magic really happens. Washing with lukewarm water is essential, not too hot or cold. It helps to keep the hair cuticle smooth and the curls defined. And here's a pro tip: double shampooing. This might sound excessive, but it's a game changer for curly hair. The first round with a sulfate shampoo for deep cleansing, then another round with your favorite curl-friendly shampoo. This ensures your hair is clean but not stripped of its natural oils. Once clean, it's all about the diffuse. Using a diffuser helps to enhance the natural curl pattern without causing frizz. Diffusing your curls enhances their natural shape and volume. It's like giving your curls a boost of life. And trust me, the result was nothing short of spectacular. My curls were bouncy, voluminous, and full of life. I walked out with voluminous, bouncy curls, a smooth transition between layers, and most importantly, my length was maintained. It was phenomenal. I felt like a new person. I felt amazing and couldn't stop looking at my hair. It was like I finally had the hair of my dreams. So if you're dreaming of curls with volume and length, find a stylist who understands the art of curly haircuts like Nikos. It's worth the effort to find someone who truly gets it. Check out his Instagram link in the description and see his work for yourself. You'll be amazed at the transformations. Don't forget to leave your comments and requests for future videos. I love hearing from you and getting your feedback. Hit that subscribe button and join our community of hair enthusiasts. We share tips, tricks, and stories about our hair journeys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, take care, and keep those curls fabulous.